Hi guys, my name is David Blum. A little bit about my background. I have a undergraduate degree in exercise science and sports studies. This is very different from an education background. In fact, I have zero experience working in a school or a classroom. I do have experience, however, working with kids and teaching in the form of group fitness and some health promotion classes. Besides that, this is all new to me, so I'm learning a lot though. So, my reading and writing history growing up, I never fancied myself as a good reader or writer. In fact, I would rate myself as below average. I had speech problems, and I know I was receiving help for reading. In terms of some of the methods that we just learned about in this class, I do recall some of the things that was presented in chapters 1 and 2 of the book. I remember guided reading and independent reading. For example, I remember a teacher telling me read pages X to Y by Friday and we will discuss it when you come in. I also remember reading in class. For example, the teacher would read a paragraph and then call on a student and then call on another student. I personally used to hate that because I hated being called on and not knowing where I was in the book. It was a very embarrassing experience that I still remember to this day. In terms of writing, I do remember some of the principles or methods that were presented in chapter 2. The pre-writing, the drafting, the editing, revising, all that stuff I still remember doing. For example, you would have to brainstorm your idea, maybe make a web, and then you would have to write a rough draft, and then you would have to revise it. And then I also remember editing, another classmate's paper. We would trade papers and proofread each other's work. That was the extent of my memories for that. To this day, I do believe I've gotten better at both. I am practicing, so a lot of this material is very useful to me to this day. Thank you guys very much, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Thank you.